Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing success, how I made over $43,000 in the last 12 months, and that is with affiliate marketing. I had been marketing online for 10 years. I have my story here if you haven't seen it, my story, Inspiration to Keep Going. I'm going to post that in the description below this video if you haven't seen that. Just telling you about my background, how I grew up in Iowa and went to physical therapy school and those kind of things. But I've been marketing online for 10 years, and in all the 10 years prior to 2018, I hadn't made this much combined as I did in the last 12 months. And I'm going to talk about how I did things differently and how this can help you, as well as some tips for you that'll maybe help you to achieve success as well. So I'm going to show you some results here. This first one, I can't show you a back office or anything because it's direct mail business, but that was $14,110. And then with Easy One Up, I earned $16,875 right here. You can see that. There is a tracker called ROI Panel that was over $2,000 there. And then Google AdSense, I just got approved for that the last few days of March, and you can see that that is $1,600 since the last part of March. And then Inner Circle affiliate right here, that's $2244. There's an e-commerce Empire affiliate right here, that's $1594. Abundance Network, that was so far $1,000. Copy and paste ads. I can't show you that because it won't go back a year, but that was $1,000. Actually, I think that was $1,300. And then Now Lifestyle is a autoresponder, and that was $846. Advertising Boost, that was so far $1,333. And then the Conversion Pros, so far, I just started that a few months ago, is $600. So if you add all that up, there is actually more that I've earned in smaller commissions, recurring commissions, but I didn't want to put all of those in here. But if you add up all of these right here, it's over $43,000. Now, like I said, I've been marketing online for 10 years, and what did I do differently this time? I'm going to give you some tips. First thing I did was I hired a coach. What I've learned is if you want to have success, find someone who has what you want to achieve and hire them and do exactly what they say. And that's exactly what I did. I hired a coach last summer. Now, in my story here, I told you that this is straight 10 years. I had to take several years off from marketing online because of severe health problems in a close family member that I had to care for. And I didn't think that I was going to be back online at all. I quit everything. Like, I shut down my autoresponder, I had an email list, everything. I couldn't do anything because it took up so much of my time. But then last summer, I came back online out of necessity, basically, to pay for medical bills, because I work as a physical therapist, but and I make good money, but the medical bills were just a lot. So that's why I hired a coach too, is because I was like, okay, I'm going to learn a skill, and I'm going to have it work this time and be able to make some good money. So what I did was I learned free YouTube and Facebook marketing strategies that actually work, because I've done YouTube marketing before, way back 10 years ago, didn't have any success really, and I've done Facebook marketing before, but I learned some different strategies that actually work. So that's what I did differently. And I also learned from a mentor just to provide value. And I've learned that before, but it's just sometimes you hear things just a little bit differently. And just don't worry about the sales and trust the process, because I see you see your mentor, he's had success, he tells you do this every day. And so I just trusted the process. And I didn't start to make money right away. You can see my first video when I came back online, I posted a year ago. It was actually June 25th, and so that's exactly 1 year ago in June, but I didn't start making money until September. And actually, I didn't start posting videos daily until September. I did maybe one a week or something, and then I decided in September, okay, I'm really going to focus on SEO video marketing and post daily. And I have posted a video a day every single day since September. And I find people come online and they are desperate for money. And they tell me that. They're like, I have to make money. I'm so desperate. I need money. And that's not a good place to be. And I understand that that is a problem. But I usually send those people off and working on their mindset, because if they only have a very small amount of money to invest and they're desperate, they have to make it back, that's not a good place to start a business. That's actually like, you should just go figure out how to make money with a second job. But when you have the mindset that you're going to learn a skill that's going to pay you for years to come, then that's a whole different place. Yes, you need the money, but provide value and don't worry about the sales. Just trust the process and do what you need to do each and every day. You probably heard about the learn, do, teach method. You learn something, you implement it, you get results, and then you share those results. And in the past, this is what I've done differently that I learned from my mentor. In the past, I would make money, but I never shared it with anybody. Partially because it wasn't very much, but I did have the largest commission I've ever made online was $3,000, and that was many, many years ago. But I never posted that, and I didn't know how to leverage the results. But that's what I've learned, because when you take a product, you get results with it, you show other people how you got those results, and you can make YouTube videos around that, then you get more results, and you show people how you did it. So that's something that I did differently, and I learned what keywords to use in my videos, and I invested in quality education, because I think people just really don't want to put money into education. They just want to put money into something to make money. But you think about how much money would you spend to go back to college, and then what kind of job would you get? Would you be making that much money? And I spent $15,000 a year getting my master's in physical therapy, and I went to the highest rated physical therapy school. So I believe in getting quality education no matter how much it costs. And even though you're in a place where you have all these medical bills and things like that, I knew the value of investing in my education and hiring a coach, and it definitely is paying off. So I think that's super important. And then I focused on learning a skill and just really, really learned SEO on YouTube. And that's paying off for me very, very well. And it's something that I'm actually just starting. I mean, I've only been doing this really a year, and it's going to continue to grow as I continue to grow and learn even more about it. Here's something that I actually did this because I had made a sale to somebody. Oh, I forgot to put down that $250 sales. But anyway, he said I ran 2 solo ads and I didn't make any sales, so I'm going to go to my credit card company and make a chargeback. And I was like, oh, did you even go through the training or anything? Nope, didn't go through the training. And he was a very, very negative person, and I didn't want to work with him anyway. And so I said, don't worry, I'll refund your money, because I didn't want to have anything to do with him. Anyway, I asked myself, okay, I don't want to work with just anybody. I want certain qualities of people that I want to work with. So then I told myself I need to be very clear in the type of person that I want to work with. And I study the subconscious mind, like that's my passion. And I know that what what we tell our minds we get. So I wrote down the qualities. I realized I need to be very clear, and so I wrote down the qualities of the ideal business partner that I intend to work with, and I post it. I have it over here by my computer, and I read through that as an intention of that is the type of person I want to work with when I do any type of marketing. And I learned after that that Jessica Higdon, in one of her trainings, she said to do that exact same thing, and she's makes millions of dollars. So it works. And then since then, I've been attracting some really, really amazing business partners. And I work harder than ever on my mindset. I created goal cards. I learned that in one of the courses I took, and with Bob Proctor's You Were Born Rich. Create goal cards and keep them with you at all times. I've done that. I write out my goals daily, and I listen to personal development daily. And if you haven't seen my blog post, I'm going to post this in the description below the video as well. But I have 3 videos on here talking about a 7-figure income earner, why he wasn't having success. He tried everything, and when he finally realized that it was him and it was his mind, then he started to have success, and how you can program your mind for success, how to set goals. This is a video I think you should watch every day for 30 minutes, The Strangest Secret, as well as You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. And that was one thing that I learned too, is don't just listen to something one time. Listen to it 30 minutes a day. Like I listened to this 30 minutes a day for at least 6 months. And now I'm listening to this 30 minutes a day, and I'll probably do that for years. I know Bob Proctor said that he reads Think and Grow Rich every single day, because he said every single time you go through it, you are a different person, and you get something different out of it. And it's amazing. I've listened to this. It's a 10-hour program. I've listened to it probably 5 or 6 times, and every single time I get something different out of it. So that's something that I've done differently. And also, I learned how to sell high-ticket products and offer bonuses, which I had never done before. And of course, high-ticket sales, you're going to make a lot larger commissions, and it's not difficult to do when you know the right sales process. You have a mentor telling you as far as the marketing and how to offer bonuses. It's not difficult to do. So that's something different that I've done this time. So I've got some questions for you. First of all, what are your biggest challenges? I want you to leave a comment in the description below the video, or just in the comment section actually. What challenges are you facing, and what would you like to learn on this channel? Some videos that you would like me to do that I can help you to learn certain things that will help you along the way. So you go ahead and leave those comments below, and I'd be happy to answer those questions. If I don't know the answers, I'll see if I can find out for you. So I hope you guys found some value in this affiliate marketing success. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that will be the first link in the description below the video. I also have my contact information in the description below the video. You can contact me if you need to. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.